In this video, I'll be doing a quick comparison between all of the best platforms to buy unit trust/mutual funds in Singapore, namely Endowus, DollarDex, Momo Singapore, Tiger Brokers, Webull, Poems, and FSM1. I'll be covering everything you need to know to decide which is the best unit trust platform for you, such as which charges the lowest fees, as well as what features do they have. As a bonus, I've also compiled all this info into a detailed comparison table, which you can download for free, link down below, yeah? Also, do join my 8,000 members Telegram chat group to discuss or ask anything about stocks, investing, and personal finance. First up, which platform has the lowest fees? For this, most of the platforms do not charge any recurring platform fees, except for Endowus and FSM1. Endowus charges a 0.3% per annum fee for single fund portfolios, and 0.25% to 0.6% per annum fee for multi-fund portfolios. Meanwhile, FSM1 charges 0.2% per annum fee for fixed income funds, and for all other funds, they are charging either 0.35% or 0.2% platform fee, depending on the investment amount. Though, take note that this fee only applies to cash and SRS investments. If you are investing via CPF investment scheme, there won't be any fees. Next, all platforms do not charge any subscription and redemption fees. So you can buy sell all you want. It will be totally free for you, yeah? Looking at this, you might think that all the platforms except for Endowus and FSM1 are the cheapest, as they do not charge any recurring platform fee. However, here's something interesting. Endowus has a 100% cashback on trailer fees. For those who do not know, when you invest in these funds, fund managers will typically pay distributors anywhere between 20% to 60%. This is also known as trailer fees, which is paid on an ongoing basis. Think of it as paying commissions to the platform for selling the funds to you. So what happens at Endowus is that instead of keeping these trailer fees, Endowus uses it to offset the fund level fee, so that investors will get to save on some fees on a recurring basis. For example, the popular Allianz Income and Growth Fund has a fund level fee of 1.55%. But then, because Endowus has a 100% cashback on trailer fees, they are able to cut down the fund level fee to just 0.92%. So what will this look like when you add up both the recurring platform fees and the final fund level fees after cashback? Check this out. Even though Endowus has a 0.3% platform fee, due to the lower fund level fee after cashback, in this example, Endowus is the cheapest platform to invest in unit trusts. But besides offering 100% cashback on trailer fees, Endowus also offers institutional level funds to retail investors like you and me. For example, even though they do not have trailer fee rebates for the PIMCO GIS Income Fund, they are actually offering the institutional version of this fund to retail investors, which has a 0.55% fund level fee. Meanwhile, if you were to look for this fund on other platforms, you will get the retail version instead, which has a much higher 1.45% fund level fee. So if you were to add up the total fees, Endowus would again be the cheapest platform to invest in this fund. So in terms of fees, Endowus would be the cheapest platform due to their 100% trailer fee cashback, as well as the ability to offer institutional level funds to retail investors. Moving on, let's compare some of the features that the platforms have. First up, all platforms support recurring buy. So that's nice. Next, almost every platform lets you earn an either yield on your SGD and USD cash, except for DollarDex, which doesn't have this feature. As for Endowus, they are a little special, as they don't automatically invest your idle cash into money market funds to help you earn a return. However, you can still manually invest in the cash management fund yourself, like the Fullerton SGD Cash Fund or the Fullerton USD Cash Fund. Then, whenever you are ready to invest the money, you can just use the fund transfer feature to transfer the funds from the cash management goal to another goal. Next, only Momo Singapore, Tiger Brokers, and Webull have activity rewards. For example, Momo Singapore will reward you when you log in every day, as well as perform some simple tasks. Then, once you have earned enough points, you can use the points to redeem figurines and trading vouchers. Likewise, Webull has ongoing promotions where you can earn rewards, such as the Money Bull promotion or the Shares Transfer In promotion. Moving on, only Endowus, DollarDex, Poems, and FSM1 let you invest your SRS and CPF money into unit trust. This feature is quite important because if you are looking to invest your CPF, you can only choose from a very limited number of ETFs. But with unit trust, you have a lot more choices available to you. And for this, Some low-cost index funds like the Amundi Index MSCI World Fund or the Amundi Prime USA is currently only available on Endowus. Lastly, only Endowus, DollarDex and FSM1 support fund transfer in. This is another important feature because as I've shown just now, if you are investing in unit trusts on other platforms, you'll be incurring a higher fee. This is also true if you are investing via private and retail banks, as they are also charging sales fees. So if you want to save on fees, you can transfer your funds over to Endowus. And oh yeah, you can use my link down below to submit your interest to transfer, and an Endowus representative will help you with it. You get a $20 access free credit to offset any Endowus fee when you transfer in. It ain't much, but I guess every little bit helps. So that was a super quick unit trust platform comparison video. If you need to sign out to any of them, you can sign out using the link down below. Anyway, hopefully this video helps you out. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.